Welcome back to my channel. I have a hair tutorial for you babes. I rocked my hair like this the other day and I got a lot of love for it, so I figured, you know what, let me show you guys how I do it, but even more so because I love it too, and I found two products that are actually giving me this like really amazing texture and body and volume. So I had to do a video for you babes and share my secret. I mean, it's not really a secret, but some new products that have given my hair this new life. Like, it's living right now. So yeah, I'm sure you've seen it, but Ouai's new texture foam. I'm all about their dry foam shampoo, which I will link above. I did a full video on it. It's my favorite. I don't wash my hair every day, and I obviously don't like greasy, grimy, just dirty hair. So I always do a dry shampoo, but I definitely recommend the foam because it really cleanses. But yeah, they came out with a texture foam, which I'm really excited about because a lot of texture sprays don't work on my thick, wavy, curly hair. Even when I straighten it, it really doesn't do much. And then I don't like hairspray because it gives me this really crunchy, alcohol-y feel. But this dry texture foam gives the right amount of texture and body. It just gives this really beautiful lived-in look, as you can see. And then the second product that helped me achieve these curls was this Fatboy Sea Salt pomade. So fun. It's a pomade, but it gives you the texture of a sea salt spray, but it's soft like a cream pomade. Rad, rad, rad product. It's super creamy, super nice finish. And that's what helped give it this really beachy, effortless look. And I'm really excited about these two products because I know we're used to a texture spray and I know we're used to a wave spray, but a lot of times those products don't hold for me. And that's really annoying because you want your look to last all day and then you want a hairspray, but I don't like hairspray. I don't like that alcohol-y feel. I do recommend Ouai's medium hairspray though because it's like a flexible hold. So, but anyways, I just don't like that hard, crunchy curl, and I just love an effortless lived-in look. So these two products gave me this look. Really excited about it. So if you want to know how to achieve these voluminous curls with using these two products, then keep watching. My hair a day old from curling it. Actually, with the technique I'm going to show you, and my curls always fall. You definitely don't want to touch them because it adds more frizz. It makes them not as curly, but this is like the worst example of how my curls usually are because the products I'm using actually hold the curl and give this like really awesome, beachy, effortless look. Let's get to it. So first off, I'm gonna separate my hair into sections. What do you guys think about this lighting? Pretty knotted back there. My mom got me new lighting. So used to just using natural light like my window. So let me know, does this look artificial? Does it look cool? Do you guys like it? And it's like really bringing out the fake tan I have right now. So yeah, I feel like I look a little yellow, but I love the fake tan I'm using. I just rubber band it actually. Okay, so I'm going to be using a 1-inch curling iron. This one is by Bio-Ionic. I really like their stuff, and I'm just going to go ahead and curl my hair. I feel like the 1-inch gives it a more natural, it also holds the curl more, so. And then I alternate. See, I'm gonna curl the whole section. And again, I have curly hair, so I don't go for this like perfect curl, everything needs to be curled look. That's just not me. I mean, right now it looks like that, but I'm not a perfectionist. And it doesn't bother me if not all of it's curled properly. So now going in with Ouai's Dry Texture Foam. I love their dry foam shampoo. And rub it in. It feels like it's like a mousse, but it's not. Just scrunch that in. Then going in with Fatboy Sea Salt Texture Sea Salt Pomade. And you just kind of Rub it in the ends. Piece out your curls a little bit. Kind of scrunch it in. And now the next section, and I'm just going to do the same thing, same process. The curls, they're big, they're voluminous, it's effortless, just everything I love when I have my curly hair, being proud and loud. This is just a way I like to touch up my curls. Let's say you don't like the texture or the frizz, I totally recommend going in with a shine spray and spray it. If I use an oil, that tends to weigh down the curl, but this doesn't. Or also recommend Waze frizz sheets and swipe them all over your head and you'll get some frizz out. So yeah, those are my tips if you don't like the super frizzy full hair, but I don't mind it. But I also sometimes do mind it, so it just depends on what you're feeling that day. And yeah, I really like it. I'm really excited about these two products. Again, these are textured, lived-in curls, so they're not shiny. They're gonna be a little gritty and more voluminous. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you liked my video and you wanna see more from me, be sure to subscribe to my channel below, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.